Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to the next matchup. I got something super cool to show you guys. When you're short on time and you want to have something that's delicious and nutritious, can't go wrong with this. Instant Galbitang packets. Take no time at all to cook and prepare, and they're ready. Look, it's hot outside. I don't have time to be cooking Galbitang all day. Make this Galbitang so good. So good. Okay. I love it.
One of the best things about living in Korea is having access to these packets of food, this sort of instant food. Buy it, it's already prepared in the bag, and you put it all together. Is it as good as going to the restaurant? No, of course not. But when you're short on time, it's just so easy to pop down to the supermarket and grab something for dinner. So this helps. And obviously, if you like Korean food, well, there you go. Can't go wrong with this. I'm going to add a few things to mine, but most of this is optional. Everything you need is in that packet, and you can add some salt perhaps at the end, depending on your personal tastes. Galbitang, traditionally, basically, it is a rib meat that is boiled for a long time, along with a sort of really thick and delicious broth. Very, very hearty, and it's probably one of the things when I'm sick or if I'm feeling low on energy, I'll try to grab some. That long thing you see is ginseng, and I love ginseng for energy. You can get in Korea a lot of ginseng drinks and ginseng extract type things that are just great for health. A lot of health supplements that use a lot of the ingredients that are used also in cooking. So that's very good if you're interested in your health. Now for this, all you really have to do is boil it up. So it's really up to you. Just boil it, and when it's hot, you put it with rice. Pretty easy. Try not to splash it everywhere like I did. And I really managed to fill the bowl. So this is perfect. That's actually a lot. I think this is not supposed to be just for one person. But I ate all of it because I was hungry. So that was one for me, but you could probably share this with someone. It's about a 2-person set. You can see the meat there, and I'm just going to put that on for decoration. Beautiful. So how did I go? Well, that's their one, and that's mine. I think I did pretty well. It looks like it does on the cover, but what does it taste like? Well, the most important thing is, of course, we're going to put some kimchi with it, and now I'm going to eat it.
Ooh. Look at this. Soft and flavorful. This is actually really good. For instant packet, this is the best thing you can buy as an instant packet. Ginseng. Yum. Ginseng, very healthy. Let's combine it. Kimchi and meat. Why don't I just bring this closer? That's so good. If you can get your hands on instant Galbitang packet from a Korean store or just a Korean supplier of some sorts, I highly recommend you buy it and you cook it. It's well worth it. And of course, if you do come to Korea, going to a Galbitang restaurant and having it fresh, well, restaurant fresh, is the way to do it as well. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and annyeonghaseyo. See ya.